Today I'm making simple roast pork rib for dinner. It is well seasoned, tender, and very delicious. This recipe is for 6 to 8 servings. The ingredients needed are 1.4 kilograms of pork racks of small ribs, 1 tablespoon of coarse black pepper, 3/4 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of paprika powder, half tablespoon of fine spice powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, and 2 tablespoons of onion oil. The full list of ingredients is in the See More link. First, mix all the seasoning in a large bowl. Add coarse black pepper, fine spice powder, garlic powder, and paprika powder. Mix until very well combined and even in color. This will be our wraps for the ribs. Next, cut the racks of ribs into manageable sizes for your baking tray. I cut mine to about 5 to 6 ribs each. See, they can all fit the pan without overlapping. Sprinkle the salt over the ribs, rubbing to marinate them evenly. Flip to the other side and repeat. Make sure to sprinkle and rub the side as well. I have only used about half the salt, which is okay. We do not want to put too much salt. Pour the onion oil over the ribs, coating them generously. Next, sprinkle the dry rubs all over the ribs evenly, patting them at the same time. Flip to the other side and repeat. Then, cover with a cling wrap and refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours or overnight. After 2 hours, the ribs have marinated well. Prepare a large baking tray with a baking sheets below. Place a rack on the sheets and arrange the ribs such that they do not overlap as they rest on the rack. Then add them to the ovens and roast for 160 degrees for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, the ribs are browning perfectly. The smell is amazing too. Baste the rib with the dripping oil on the parchment paper for the shine. Flip the ribs with a pair of foot tongs. And repeat. Then dish it on a serving plate. The ribs can be served as is or cut into individual bones. For me, we will enjoy this rib as meat in a lettuce wrap. So I am cutting one rack into individual ribs. Cut them in the middle of each bones, parallel to the ribs. Look at these juices roasted ribs. It's amazing. I can't wait to eat it. Arrange on a plate. And our roast pork ribs are ready to be served. Let's eat. Dip in the Thai seafood sauce and enjoy. Super delicious, very tender, juicy, perfect seasoning and complement the Thai seafood sauce. So yummy. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.